In this video, I will be showing you how to use Wispr Flow AI to automate your writing with snippets and voice commands. Let's get started. First, I'll head down to the Settings menu in the bottom left corner of the app. I'll navigate to the Experimental tab and toggle on Command Mode, which allows me to give the AI specific editing instructions through voice. Now, I'll click on the Snippets icon in the side navigation bar to set up a shortcut. I'll click Add New and paste a formal resignation letter into the expansion box. To trigger this quickly later, I'll type the word resignation into the snippet name field and click Add Snippet to save it. You can see the confirmation that it's been added to my list. Next, I'll switch over to Gmail to show you how this works in real time. I'll open a new message and click into the main body of the email. By activating the microphone and simply saying the word resignation, Flow immediately expands that one word into the full letter I just saved. To take it even further, I'll highlight the entire draft and use the Command Mode feature. I'll give the voice command to improve readability and formatting. It takes a brief moment to process, but as you can see, the AI completely transforms the text. It has now reformatted the letter into a professional, easy-to-read layout with clear bullet points and a polished tone. It's an incredibly fast way to draft and refine your communications using only your voice. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.